Hey, creative friends. Well, today I am going to try to engrave on my watch band. This is just a real inexpensive fitness watch band from Wyze. I know you guys have heard of the Wyze company, W-Y-Z-E, for their cameras. And unfortunately, I don't have an affiliate link. I wish I did because I have so many Wyze products. Well, a handful of them, and I love them. These watch bands came out, maybe about a year ago, and it was only about $25. They now have a watch that's a big square, like the more typical Apple watches. But anyway, I think it works great. But was going to try to engrave a design on both sides of my watch band. So I have done the first side, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this or not. I'll try to get into some better light if you can't. But if you can tell, it's a rose on a stem. And so I'm just using my Android app on my phone, and I started off at 30% power on 5 milliseconds burning time, and I think the 30% power was too high, so then I bumped it down to, I think it was 12% power for the stem part. So this top part got a little bit goopy, honestly. I don't know, it was just goopy. So I used a paper towel and just ran it under some water to clean it up. It's not goopy anymore. But it did leave an impression, and you can ever so slightly see where I did the stem at 12%. So I'm going to try to put in a letter B on the other side, and I think I may try 20% laser, and we'll see what that does on the other side. So hang on just one second. Let me cue that up. So this isn't going to take long at all. I'm holding it down as flat as I can with a cat food can, and it's not perfectly flat, but I don't think that'll matter too much. I mean, this isn't going to be great, but we'll see what this letter B looks like. Probably the sizing for this letter was not the best, but we'll see how this looks like. So let me take my glasses off and see if that did anything. Oh, hey, that's kind of neat. Again, it just melts it, so again, it's kind of goopy, but I'm going to run this under some soap and water and rub it with this paper towel. Here, I'll rub it with the paper towel first, and I'll let you see. Like, here's some of the stuff that came off the other side. So it does just kind of melt the band. I've seen people do these online, but they're silicone bands. Honestly, I'm not sure if this one is pure silicone or not, so make sure you're very ventilated if you do try it. And of course, just be careful. All right, so some of that wiped off. There. Yeah, you can sort of see that. You can sort of see that bee in there. Well, that's really cool. I will probably just leave these black. I know some people come back and fill them in with paint, but I don't know. I think this will look better if I just leave it black. All right, so that's a simple engraving on my Wyze watch band. So here's the two pieces. Again, you have to get just real simple black and white images and very small images. So I think that probably, I don't know, maybe 25% laser power on 5 millisecond burning time. Again, would be perfect. So I started at 30% on the rose, and I think that was too high, but then I went down to 12, which was too low, and then I just did this B at 20. So maybe 25 would be just perfect. So, all right. Well, let me know if you give this a try, and if you have an actual Apple band, then I think they are silicone and safe to engrave. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.